production in flowering plants. We'll see the doubts now. We'll start the discussion from the first one would be the assignment, catalyst assignment of a discussion to core. Let's start from those questions first and let's see the doubts. Catalyst assignment question number 4. Spelling mistake ho aise exide no hoy, it should be exide. Question number 11, the options are given wrong. The device that guides the pollen tube in the cavity of the ovary is. Answer to jana nahi na jana. Just forget the options. Answer to jano nahi na jano. Who guides the pollen tube into the cavity of the ovary? Ovary le kune guide kore aru synergy le kune, I mean egg to le kune guide kore. We have talked about two structures, right? Okay. The device that guides the pollen tube with the cavity of the ovary is obturator. So option kita eta kam kora. Question 11. Catalyst assignment, no? Options of likha. Obturator. Transmitting tissues. Placenta. Synergy. And what would be the correct answer? Obturator. Someone can be this question. Next is question number 22. Say, milky water of green coconut is. The milky water of green coconut is nothing but the endosperm. So our answer would be option C, liquid endosperm. Next, question number 39. No, not question number 39. Question number 38. Which of the following statement is correct? It's about sporopollen can withstand high temperature but not strong acids. Sporopollen can be degraded by enzymes. It is option number D. Question number 39 was also about which of the following statement is not true about somatic embryogenesis? A somatic embryo develops from a somatic cell. Correct. The pattern of development of somatic embryo is comparable to that of a zygotic embryo. Okay. Somatic embryo can develop from microspores. No, because microspores are ploidic iman and somatic embryos are ploidic iman, twice n. So the incorrect option is option number C.
Ma'am, অলপ আঁতৰি দিব নেকি বোৰ্ডখনৰ স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট ল'ব লাগিছে।
Question number 11, catalyst assignment, huh?
That's right.
Next, question number 39, option is C. Please cut off question number 43. 43 to Narake. Next, बाकी किन्हीं doubts नहीं. Question number 76. Itu doubts pathai se kunu bai. Which of the following process is required for the complete development of the male gametophyte? Eta male gametophyte form koribo lagile. The question is how many meiosis and how many meiotic division and how many mitotic divisions are involved. If you talk about male gametophyte kune form kore? Microspore, mother cell, right? Microspore mother cell or এটা কাম কৰা কি লিখে লোৱা Question 76 short form ত লিখি থৈ দিয়া Microspore mother cell undergoes the meiosis. What it will form? Microspore. This microspore, the nucleus, will undergo mitotic division and then they will produce one vegetative cell and one generative cell. This generative cell will undergo mitosis again to form two male gametes. So the question is, which of the following process is required for the complete development of the male gametophyte? For the complete development of the male gametophyte, what is the meiosis or mitosis? Meiosis 1, mitosis 2. So the answer would be option A is the correct answer. 1 meiotic and 2 mitotic divisions for the complete formation of the male gametophyte.
Ma'am, কোনটো question নালাগে বুলি ক'লে?
মই কৈছিলো question number ৰবা ঘূৰি চাব লাগিব দেই question number 43.
Okay, ma'am.
ইয়াতে এখন problem দিয়া আছে mistake আছে question টো okay assignment or last doubt question number 89. For artificial hybridization experiment in bisexual flower, which of the sequence is correct? First, key korim. It is option number B. First, emasculation, then bagging, then cross pollination, and then they can also go for rebagging. Option will be number B. So those were the doubts from this captive assignment. Next, some fingertips. Fingertips are question number 4. The stamens represent microspores. Next, question number 14. In angiosperms, various stages of reduction and division can be best studied in. The question to ki kudise out of the given options, ami meiosis code dekha pam. Right? Out of the options, meiosis ami code dekha pam. You can see meiosis in the anther. You can also see meiosis in the ovule. But the correct answer would be anther. Right? Karon yate question to ki dise be best studied in. Right? Duitate meiosis hobo, kintu code besi bhalke study koribole which one is more proper. It is always the anther. The reason behind that is anthers of the cells in the anther are actively dividing. They are both basically active and plus the number is also more.
Ma'am. Ma'am, 12 to koboson.
Noko. Where are your questions, my dear? অলপ কৈছিলে নে আগতে পঢ়িবলে ৰবা প্ৰথমে let's finish with question number 14 question number 14 to answer হল নে নাই
Yes, ma'am.
it is young anther okay next is কি লাগে Callase enzymes dissolve callose of choline tetrads to separate four cholines is provided by the tapetum
Okay, ma'am.
কিয় tapetumৰ মনত নাই we have discussed what the tapetum cells বিলাক know that tapetum is for nourishment right কিন্তু
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the cells of the tapetum does not go for nourishment কিছুমান secretory tapetum আৰু কিছুমান cells হল nourishment provide কৰে secretory tapetum বিলাকে enzymes phospholipid UVA etc secrete কৰিছিলে okay
Yes, ma'am.
Number 19. How many meiotic divisions are required for the formation of 100 choline grains? ইয়াৰ answer to কোৱাচোন এটা meiotic divisionত কেইটা ফৰ্ম কৰিব
চাৰিটা
চাৰিটা right so answer ইয়াতে কিমান সুধিছে 100 choline grains so কিমান লাগিব
25, ma'am. D.
Okay.
C.
কিবা C option is C yeah confusion আছে নেকি
Ma'am, no, কোনো
how
কোৱা
many
নাই
meiotic
নহয়।
divisions হা
answer দিয়া আছিল
হা যোনে মোক doubt yeah please speak up NCERT কি
answer to ma'am wrong দিয়া আছিল
wrong দিয়া আছে wrong মানে কেনেকে wrong মানে কি question এইটো questionত
yes ma'am
মানে what was the question
ma'am answer to ma'am C দিয়া আছিল ma'am ঠিকে আছে মোৰে wrong হৈছে
না so কি answer wrong দিয়া আছে question wrong দিয়া আছে just forget about all those things just understand the concept right কিহৰ কথা সুধিছে pollen grain formation কথা সুধিছে pollen grain কৰ পৰা form কৰিব MMC পৰা form কৰিব right so pollen grain MMC meiosis হ'ব এটা meiosis কাৰণে কেইটা pollen grain you remember we have talked about pollen tetrads no
Yes, ma'am.
এনেও চাৰিটা cell form কৰে so চাৰিটা pollen grain from one meiosis therefore 100 pollen grains will be from how many meiosis it will be 25 next question number 48 no আৰু এটা দিছে question number 35 sorry which of the following statements are correct pollen grains are released from the anthers at two-celled stage correct দিছে না incorrect দিছে incorrect দিছে pollen grains are released from the anther at two-cell stage that is correct sporogenous cell directly behaves as megaspore mother cell that is also correct megaspore divides twice to form an 8 nucleated embryo sac megaspore divides twice or thrice আমি যেতিয়া embryo sac we are talking about that 8 nucleated embryo sac তেতিয়া 8টা nucleus form কৰিব লাগিলে কেইবাৰ meiosis sorry কেইবাৰ division হ'ব লাগিব megaspore with one nucleus right
তিনিবাৰ
next step কি exactly megaspore with two nucleus এবাৰ division হৈ গল next stop
চাৰিটা মানে
হল তাৰ next stop
8
হয়নে বুজি পাইছো so megaspore divides twice to form an 8 nucleated embryo sac ইয়াতে 8টা nucleus আছে নাই right so কেইবাৰ divide কৰিব লাগিব megaspore টোৱে এইটো 1 nucleated this is 8 nucleated structure form কৰিব লাগিলে কিমান বাৰ 3 times so ইয়াতে কি দিয়া আছে twice so that is the incorrect statement our fourth option to correct is again synergy always lie near the micropore end of the ovule is the point clear june মোক পঠাইছিলে question number 35 okay next is question number 48 feathery sigma occurs in, feathery sigma is always a characteristic of the family Poaceae. A point to আমি morphology discuss কৰিছো when we were talking about the different angiospermic families, right? So Poaceae এটা feature. So ultimately the answer would be wheat. Next, question number 64. Heterostyly as a contrivance for cross pollination is found in Primula. এটা তো directly নোটৰ পৰাই আহিছে ন যিকিটা চোৱা Primula example দিছিলো, Jasmine দিছিলো, Primrose দিছিলো, right? So the answer is Primula. That was 64.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am 56 or third statement to ma'am কবচোন
56
পাহৰি
or
গলো
এক
third
second. 56 or কি লাগে?
third statement to
Third statement মই ধৰিব পৰা নাই।
ma'am 56 or third statement to ma'am পাহৰি গৈছো ma'am ক'ব পাৰিব নেকি?
Kygelia is an insect pollinated flower. সেইটো নেকি question?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
কোনখন আছে?
Ma'am new edition ma'am.
Okay, তো সেইটোৱেটো statement ন Kygelia কথাই কৈ আছে।
Oh yes ma'am, এইটো true হয় নে false ma'am পাহৰিছো মানে এইটো আপোনাক সুধিছো এইকাৰণে।
সেইটো question আছিলে ন কাৰণ Kygelia টো তোমাৰ হেৰিটোহে আছিলে, it was not insect pollinated, no, it was bat pollinated.
ma'am কি কৈছে?
ইয়াতেটো কি bat pollinated.
Okay ma'am.
BAT. Okay. 56. এটা কম পাবা ন 56. Next, question number 104. In case of polyembryony, if an embryo develops from the synergid and another develops from the mucillus, then the synergid embryo is dash and the mucellar embryo is dash. ইয়াতে কি সুধিছে? Just Freud-টো সুধিছে। Right? Polyembryo, we know the concept that seed to এটাতকে বেছি যদি embryo থাকে, that is what is called as polyembryony. Normally, in maximum cases কি হয়? এটা seedত এটা embryo থাকে। কিন্তু there are certain exceptions like citrus, mango, etc. Opuntia, right? So ইয়াতে কি হৈছে? So polyembryony হ'বলে embryo যদি বেছিকে থাকে, কোনবা বেলেগকে form কৰিব লাগিব apart from the egg. It can be formed by the sporophytic tissues or it could be formed by the cells of the embryo sac. That is synergid, no? যদি synergid produce কৰে embryo এটা তাৰ ploidy কিমান? The answer would be synergid or ploidy কিমান? What is the ploidy of the synergid? Egg apparatus to তিনটা cell আছিলে, egg আছিলে আৰু দুটা synergid আছিলে। Eggৰ ploidy কিমান? Obviously haploid. Synergid or ploidy কি আছিলে?
Haploid.
Haploid নে diploid? It is haploid. So haploid cell এটাই যেতিয়া embryo form কৰিব, সি কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ploidy হ'ব? Haploid হ'ব। Understood? Similarly, in case of mucillus, mucillus or ploidy কিমান? Mucillus is always a sporophytic tissue, that is twice n. So twice n যোনটো embryo form কৰিব, সেইটো twice n হ'ব। So synergid যোনটো form কৰিব, সেইটো haploid আৰু mucillus is diploid. So the answer would be C. Option C.
Ma'am, embryo to mitotic division di form no? Ma'am, embryo to mitotic division hobo?
Mitotic division hobo.
Okay.
Embryo to mitotic division hobo. এনেও তো তোমাৰ zygote পৰা যেতিয়া embryo form কৰে কি division হয়? In normal cases, polyembryony নহয়, the normal sexual reproduction if you talk about, n into n will give you twice and that is the zygote. Zygote কি form কৰে? Embryo. So zygote কি division form undergo করে?
Mitotic.
Mitotic. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is exam archive that is page number 52. Question number 5. Question would you say? The fibrous bands develop from the cells of the anther wall layer known as alpha cellulosic fibers bands বুলি আমি discuss কৰিছিলো. Remember that wall asile. It is 2 to 6 layered. When you cut the TS of an anther, আমি কৈছিলো no microspore কেনেকে develop কৰে, we have talked about the sporogenous cell, the parietal cell কি form কৰে, wall of the pollen grain, and the wall is 2 to 6 layered. তাৰ outermost wall কি epidermis, তাৰপিছত কি আছে endothelium, right? Endothelium কি present alpha cellulosic fibrous bands. So সেইটো ওপৰত question টো আহিছে. Fibrous bands develop from the cells of the anther wall layer known as endothelium. যদি অকণ কনফিউশন লাগিছে নোট ৰেফাৰ কৰিবা. Question number 10.
Ma'am,
An immature male gam ha
8 to কৈ দিবচোন ma'am. Exam
কোনটো
archive. 8.
exam archive
8.
volume টো ইমান হৈছে. Okay, question number 8 হয়নে?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pollen tablets are available in the market for in vitro fertilization, breeding program, supplementing food, ex situ conservation, supplementing food. It is supplementing food. Pollen grains কিছুমান আমি খাবলেও ইউজ কৰো ন? So answer would be C.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 10. An immature male gametophyte differs from a mature male gametophyte in that it has not yet left the pollen sac, has not yet germinated, and its generative cell has not divided into 2 male gametes. It's a microspore that has not yet divided by mitosis. Still consists of microsporocyte. Immature or mature defect. Option is B. The immature has not yet germinated, কিন্তু mature germinate কৰি পেলাই দুটা male gametes already form কৰিছে. Question number 23 of exam archive. সেইটো বস্তু নালাগে আজিকালি, ঠিক আছে? নিচৰ যোনটো এক্সপেৰিমেন্ট সেইটোৰ ওপৰত question আজিকালি নাহে.
23 to নালাগে no ma'am.
নাই সেইটোৰ ওপৰত question তেনেকে নাহে.
Okay, ma'am.
কিন্তু তাতে তথাপি আনসাৰটো obviously C ইয়াতে কি মনত ৰাখা, বাকিটো নিচৰ তেনেকে জেনেৰেলি নাহে. তাতে কি মনত ৰাখিবা, strawberry to কি fruit, true fruit, false fruit, fruitsৰ সেইটোৰ ওপৰতে question আহে, ঠিক আছে? It's a false fruit developed from কি, from the thalamus.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
সেইকেইটা আছে exam archive. আৰু 26 নাই এইকেইটা question পঠাইছিলে. কাম আৰু যদি কিবা ওলাই. Next master the NCERT. বেছি doubts to নাই, clear হৈ আছে তোমালোকৰ টপিকটো. Okay. Master the NCERT new edition, I suppose this one. I call new edition. Question number 7.
Hello, ma'am. Question এটা আছিল আজি অকল ম্যাম এইটো লেসনৰ হে ডাউটস কৰাব নে বেলেগৰ কি কৰাব?
না অকল ইয়াৰে ডাউটস কৰিম আজি, ঠিক আছে? So it will be a very short class. অকল ডাউটস ক্লাস আজি.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 7. Microsporangium develops into Yeah, answer কি? Microsporangium develops into কি? Microsporangium কি form করে? Pollen sac, right? Option is G. Then the next doubt was number 16. Dehiscence of anther in mesophytes is caused by dehydration of anther. Next was question number 47. Which is the most common type of embryo sac in angiosperms?
Hello ma'am.
Yes, please say.
Ma'am, আগৰ question টো বুজি নাপালো.
কোনটো? Dehiscence of anther.
Yes ma'am, 16.
Okay, dehiscence of anther in mesophytes is due to dehydration of anthers. Land plants or কথা কৈছে তো?
Yes ma'am.
So angiosperms, mesophytes are the land plants, and land plants বুলি ক'লে we are talking about angiosperms only, no? So angiosperms কি হয় যে anther টো below the burst হ'বই লাগিব. So যেতিয়া matured হৈ যায়, in case of these anthers, they will dehydrate. Dehydrate হ'লে ultimately line of dehiscence যোনটো আছে সেইটো ফাটি যাব. And the pollen grains will come out, right? So সেইটো পইণ্টে মনত ৰাখিব যে এঞ্জিওস্পাৰ্মছৰ স্পেচিয়েলি মেসোফাইটছ বিলাকৰ কি হয় once the anther gets matured pollen grains টো ওলাবই লাগিব so once the anther get matured it gets dehydrated line of dehiscence টো sharp হৈ যায় sharp হৈ পেলাই ফাটি যায় lobes বিলাক split right
Yes ma'am.
এটা clear
Yes ma'am.
Next question number 47 yeah which is the most common type of embryo sac in angiosperms আমি কোনটো কৰিছো details of structure টো যে আমি 7 cell 8 nucleate structure কৰিছো তাৰ heading টো কি আছিল মনত আছে না embryo portion we have discussed আমি কি কৈছিলো যে it depending on how many megaspores participate in embryo formation আমাৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ type of embryo sac আছে most common type ami ki dekhiso out of the 4 only one megaspore functions or it develops into a embryo sac jeto etai kore that is called as monosporic and not necessarily sobote khali monosporic e hoy we have talked about disporic tetrasporic etc we have certain examples jo duta megaspore embryo form kore কিছুমান plants ত এনেকুৱা আছে যে 4টা megaspore embryo form কৰে কিন্তু most common কিন্তু obviously monosporic right So answer would be monosporic. In the yate question to this is monosporic with 3 sequential mitotic division, the monosporic with 2 sequential mitotic division. It's a question. Monosporic, right? Eta megaspore matro functional hobo. That keta division hobo. Tinta. So the most common type is monosporic with 3 sequential mitotic division. Clear?
Yes ma'am.
It will be D. Question number 82 কোনবাই পঠাইছে continued self pollination results in inbreeding depression মানে quality to degrade কৰি গৈ থাকিব এটানে cross pollination না লাগে what is the necessity of cross pollination because consider self pollination leads to inbreeding depression আর inbreeding depression একদম easiest way to understand this the quality degrades Question number 105. In an angiosperm, male plant is diploid and female plant is tetraploid. The endosperm will be. Kimana boito? কি দিছে?
Ma'am, question
In
number
an
2.
endosperm, male plant is diploid.
Question number 2.
105. And female plant is tetraploid. Okay. So in that case, what will be the tetraploid? Then the endosperm will be. Endosperm ki hobo? Endosperm ami buli kole what we know. Thysen hoy nohoy. Normal ami jonto endosperm porisu endosperm or ploidy kiman? Thysen. Thysen kiho karone hoise? Karon n into twice n is equal to thrice n. N to kopra ahise? Male.
Male gap.
Eto kopra ahise? Female. Right? Etia soa. Yate ইয়াৰ পৰা কি আহিব? n আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা কি আহিব? এন্ডোস্পাৰ্মক এটোটো যে থ্ৰাইস এন্ড প্লইড কৰিব লাগিব এটা মেলৰ পৰা আহিব মেলৰ পৰা আহিলে n নেক্সট ফিমেলৰ পৰা কিমান আহিব?
Twice and
ভাবিছোৱাচোন অকল টুৱাইছ n
4n.
4n এইটো যদি টুৱাইছ n হ'লেতেন তেতিয়াহে টুৱাইছ n আহিলে হয় গতিকে দুটা লাগিব ন
Yes, ma'am. বুজিছো.
Okay. So it will be pentaploid. Next. Question number 121. It is just information or kind of jani thua, huh? Which is the most crucial for seed storage? Question 121. So seeds to eta seeds jodi store koribo lage store kora mane ki the seeds should not germinate. Germinate korile seeds store koribo pariba jano? So amak enukwa kisman conditions lagibo jar karone he seed to germinate nokore and what are the conditions? Hetu kotha hudise. So it is option number A, dehydration and dormancy. ঠিক আছে যেতিয়া seedটোত water কমি থাকে ন তেতিয়াহলে কি হয় আমি I don't know whether you have noticed or not there are certain seeds if you bring it from the market and then you want to sow it no especially শাক চাকৰ গুটি বিলাক যদি কিনি আনি পেলাই আমি ৰুৱাৰ আগতে পানীত থৈ দিওঁ দুটাৰ সেই টেষ্টাখন ভাঙিবলৈ ইজি হ'ব the enzymes inside the seed will get more active inactive form of thake enzymes bilak karon kiho karone there was no water or lack of water right so dehydrated condition of you can store the seed and plus dormancy next is question number 133 apomictic embryo in citrus arises from so a apomixis aru polyembryony jikini notes disu nokora hekhini questions ahe tatke beshi ekku nahe tatke beshi beleg examples o nahe exactly the same example and exactly the portion that we have done yate apomictic embryo in citrus arises from citrus or ki pohisila note to jodi ase osorot soasun ase niki note
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, NCERT তাতে nucellus দিয়া
apomictic embryo in citrus arises from nucellus heteru kobo koise moi jintu note disu tat ki dia ase soasun ase ne nai exactly my answer to tumalke je search nokora no ako pahori thakiba so in case of citrus kune form koribo embryo to sporophytic tissues form koribo and sporophytic tissues or which sporophytic tissue to be precise nucellus
Okay, ma'am.
so maternal sporophytic tissues in ovule So sporadic tissues of it to nucellus to pore, integuments to pore.
Yes, ma'am. New cell.
Nucellus hobo. Kintu yate directly nucellus word to diya nai. Nucellus to dile to answer to easy ho jai. Right? So sporophytic tissues, maternal sporophytic tissues in ovule. So we are talking about the nucellus. Kintu not necessarily upon nucellus of কিছুমান examples of integuments of form.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 155. Read the following statements and choose the correct ones. 155. Mature ovules in which micropyle comes to lie close to the funicle. The ovule is called as mature ovule in which the micropyle lies close to the funicle. It is funicle ki bostu? What is funicle?
Stop.
The ovule is called as funicle. Yeah. So if you are talking about an ovule like this, no? এডাল কি ফানিকেল এইখিনি জেগা কি কৈছে মাইক্ৰোপাইল in this diagram micropyle or funicle ওচৰা ওচৰিকেতো নাই it's far away right so এনেকে যদি ওপৰত থাকে তাক আমি কি কৈছিলো straight ovule or orthotropous ovule but we are talking about a condition where the micropyle lies close to the funicle হয়নে so এই ovule আমি কি বুলি কম anatropous so the first statement is correct. When micropyle, thalassa and hilum lie in a straight line, the ovule is said to be orthotropous. Correct. Third statement is megasporangium along with the protective integument is called ovule. Correct. Question ki disa? Choose the correct. All of them are correct. So answer is D. Next question number. One second. Question number 162. Which of the following statements is correct? Number one, pollination gives the guarantee of the promotion of post-pollination events that lead to fertilization. Pollination a guarantee DNA media. It does not give the guarantee. So that's wrong. The second, the events from pollen deposition on the stigma until pollen tubes enter the ovule are together referred to as pollen pistil interaction. Correct. It is correct. Pollen pistil interaction is a dynamic process involving pollen recognition followed by only promotion. No. Statement C is also wrong. All promotion is opposite enuka nohoy. Rejection hobo. So 162 option is number B. Aru B pistil has no ability to recognize a pollen. Pistil obviously has the ability. 162 is B. Question number 166. Find the correct statements. Endosperm formation is the prior event in embryo formation. Correct. Angiosperms and gymnospermic endosperm are thrice and end respectively. Correct. Or no, monte no. Gymnosperms are before fertilization. Endosperm form and that is nothing but the female gametophyte. Third statement, endospermic seeds are found in castor, barley, coconut. Correct. In albuminous seeds, food is stored in endosperm. Correct. So all the statements are correct in question number 166. Next is question number 198. The phenomenon observed in some plants wherein parts of the sexual apparatus is used for forming embryos without fertilization. Embryos without fertilization, apomixis.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, apomixis to seed আছিল ন?
Mhm.
Ma'am, seed হে হ'ব লাগে।
see, ultimately to embryo form কৰিব no? Types of apomixis খিনি চাবাচোন, ultimately embryo to কৰ পৰা form কৰিছে no? Without fertilization. Ultimately কি form কৰিছে? Embryo form কৰিছে, ক'ৰবাত sporophytic cell পৰা form কৰিছে, কেতিয়াবা egg টোৱে parthenogenetically form কৰে, right? কিছু কেতিয়াবা megaspore mother cell embryo to form কৰে without fertilization. Seeds to completely correct, the seeds form কৰে without fertilization.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So parts of the sexual apparatus, right? We are talking about the ovule, তাৰ যিকোনো embryo sac যিকোনো part এ form কৰিব পাৰে। So new edition এইকেইটা questions এ দিছিলা। That's all. Old edition আছে নেকি? এইকেইটা questions এ আছিলে। আৰু বাকী আৰু questions দিয়া নাই doubt হিচাপে। So these were the questions. আৰু কিবা question আছে নেকি?
Yes, ma'am.
Was there someone
Ma'am,
asking? Huh?
ma'am, এটা question আছিল।
Please ask.
Ma'am, the plant part which consists of two generations, one within the other is?
এইটো question number ক'ৰ পৰা লৈছা?
Ma'am, এইটো ma'am question bank ৰ পৰা লৈছো।
Okay, options কি দিয়া আছে?
Ma'am, A, germinated pollen grain, B, embryo, C, unfertilized ovule, and number D, seed.
এই বস্তুটো কোনোবা এখন হেৰিটো পঠাইছিলা নেকি তুমি মোক questionটো?
Yes, ma'am, পঠাইছো।
সেইকেইটা মই কৰাই দিম। ঠিক আছে?
Okay, ma'am.
Apart from that, আৰু কিবা? Okay, fingertips questions doubts খিনি clear হ'ল? আৰু কিবা questions এ পঠাইছিলা? আৰু কিবাটো নাই থাকে ন চাওঁ আৰু কিবা এটা questions আছে নেকি I think that's all. Master the NCERT question number 112 to submit diagram to directly NCERT book of dia ase so itu diagram upor question ahe diagram based questions kita saba so I think that's all for today egitai doubts asile aru kiba questions ase jodi you can individually send it to me okay thank you for today and in the next class ami notun chapter eta arambo korim that is organism and population
Hello, ma'am.
thank you
Ma'am, next doubt class কি chapter হব? Next doubt class কোনটো chapter?
or next doubt class আমি second year portion to complete কৰি লও নেকি তোমাক কোনটো লাগে just according to that কোৱা
Ma'am,
আমি first year কোনটো কোৱা
ma'am second year term 1 ত অকল ইটো chapter এ আহিব।
okay so this is completed
Yes, ma'am. First
okay,
year
then next কোনটো লাগে কোৱা
ma'am first year morphology লৈকে হৈ গৈছে। Ma'am anatomy
কি
of
হৈ গৈছে
plant
okay
morphology লৈকে হৈ গৈছে।
morphology লৈকে হৈ গৈছে next after morphology cell
Plant. Anatomy.
or plant anatomy
Yes, ma'am.
okay plant anatomy we can do next class I mean next doubt class no
Okay.
Nay you want us to complete that microbe chapter I mean microbes to complete korisu no
Yes, ma'am. Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
okay so whatever you want either we can go for the class on that chapter microbes 12th portion or 11th portion so which one would be good 11 and 12
Ma'am যিকোনো দিলে হ'ল।
we cannot have both the chapters যিকোনো মানে according to your choice তোমালোকৰ exams বা তোমালোকৰ test schedule
Yes, ma'am.
টেষ্টৰ মতে যোনটো লাগে
Ma'am test দুটাই chapter আছে। Microbes আৰু anatomy.
microbes আৰু
Anatomy of plants.
okay then
Yes.
we'll do one thing first let's go with anatomy right and then we can go for microbes আজি হল তোমাৰ today is কি বাৰ আজি today is Monday
Monday.
next Monday we'll do organism and population
Ma'am Wednesday.
next Wednesday this Wednesday next Wednesday আমি anatomy questions discuss কৰিম so তাৰ আগতে questions বিলাক send কৰিবা
Okay, ma'am.
okay so next topic would be anatomy so please start sending questions on anatomy okay thank you
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.